I'm going to show you my personal thought and opinion on SQL, exactly where I expect the price to go and all the good stuff. Before we get into it, as always, disclaimer, nothing on the channel constitutes financial or professional advice. Let's get right into the video. So just by looking at SQL right here, today we have gone up around 57%. You can see that from my prediction previously. I was expecting some upside moves from right here, like that. That didn't happen, but I can argue that this prediction was absolutely fine right here. So I was correct about the bearish moves. And I can argue this was I was absolutely correct even on the upside moves right here, but we never technically delivered above the highs. So what do I expect the price to do right now? Just by looking at the bottom right corner, I can see that the price is sitting at 13.73. This is how much down we have gone down in the past year, which is actually like nothing that serious. At some point of today, keep in mind we were up around 142%, which was insane amount. But again, at 57 is again still good. After that break, I'm definitely still expecting the price to continue and deliver higher. But again, this